Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Renai, otherwise known as WinterRose84 here on YouTube and Instagram, and occasionally other places. I like to make videos on things that I enjoy, so examples of nail polish, perfumes, other beauty related things, but also just everyday life. So my family, my dogs, sometimes they come in and show up in videos too. I like question and answers, review videos, just generally informative videos as well. I am also getting into more ASMR or relaxation type videos. So I received a lot of feedback to say that my voice was rather soothing and calming, and that's certainly something that I would like to help people with. So if that sounds like the kind of thing that you would enjoy watching, please consider subscribing. I love receiving feedback and also requests or suggestions for videos, so feel free to leave them below in the comments or contact me if you do have any requests. I hope you're all enjoying your day, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are, and are having a great time. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!